So version control is well understood as it relates to application development. And what RPath does is to take the best practices and techniques of version control, as we're used to using for managing source code in the application development world, we take those same techniques and best practices and apply them to systems, to the model for the system, and all of the applications and configurations that make up a particular system. This enables us to strongly track, control, and audit which software and configuration are applied to each system from the model. The model, a version number for the model, refers explicitly to a set of version-controlled software components and configurations. And any changes that are made, either to these software components, configurations, or to the model itself, results in a new revision of any of those objects. So the revision control we apply is strong, and the version numbers are immutable. Any change that occurs results in a new revision, allowing you to update systems against newer revisions of the model, but also update those systems against any arbitrary version, even an older version, to be able to roll back change as well as remediate systems. And so customers use RPath at the operating system level, at the application-only level, as well as to manage the entire stack. RPath can be used to construct models at any of those levels. So many of our customers use RPath to manage the entire stack, referencing the application through the middleware and all of its operating system dependencies, pulled together under this version-controlled model. Other customers use RPath to manage just the application deployment stack on top of a base operating system image, and still other customers use RPath to manage just that base operating system image and continue to use traditional application deployment techniques. RPath works the same at any of these levels and applies the same concepts of revision control at every one of these levels, automating much of the work required to assemble system models at any of these levels. RPath automatically imports operating system components, for example, from operating system vendors and upstream providers. As we import these artifacts, these binary objects, into the repository, we apply a great deal of policy to those artifacts to ensure that they can be assembled into systems that are correct by design, including inspecting for dependency information. This same process and technique is used when importing application components or third-party middleware components from outside vendors. This import process is a packaging process by which the installation instructions for how to actually install these applications and middleware bits are captured inside the RPath repository and again placed under strong revision control.